Stół. Stołu, stołowi, stół. Stołem, stole, stole. Stoły, stołów. Stołom, stoły. Stołami, stołach, stoły. Let's learn how to create these forms. Hi guys, welcome to Noun Declension workout. I'm Jarek from Course of Polish and I'm going to teach you how to decline the noun stół, which means table, in all 7 cases, both in singular and plural number. If you don't know what declension is, please go to the description of this video. There is a link to my website where I'm explaining this topic in details. You can also find there a PDF file with a cheat sheet for this workout. So without any further ado, let's begin. To decline the noun, firstly we have to check what gender it is. Stół is masculine gender, so we are going to use these masculine endings. To use these endings, we have to take the stem of the noun and attach one of these endings to the stem. And what is the stem? The stem is the noun in singular nominative form without any vowels on the end. If you look at our noun, stół, it doesn't have any vowels on the end, so the entire word is our stem. Apart from taking the stem and attaching the ending, some nouns require us to do changes to the stem. There are 4 common changes in Polish declension. You can read about all of them on my website. In case of our noun, we will have to make exchange from U to O. With all this knowledge, we can start the declension. Let's begin with singular number. Here are the endings and here are the rules explaining how to apply these endings. The first case, nominative, is the basic form that you can find in dictionaries, so it's just stół. Stół. The second case, genitive, here we have 2 options, ending U or ending A. We have to use the first ending U because stół is inanimate. So now remember, we have to take the stem, exchange U to O and attach the ending. So the final form will be stołu. Stołu. Next case, dative, here we have 1 option, ending owi, so it will be stołowi. Stołowi. Next case, accusative, we have to use the same form as in nominative case because stół is inanimate. So it will be stół. Stół. Next case, instrumental, just 1 ending M, so the form will be stołem. Stołem. Next case, locative. This one is interesting. We have 2 options, ending E or ending U. In order to decide which ending to use, we have to take a look at the table with hard and soft consonants. If you look at this table, you can see that the consonant ły is a hard consonant, so we have to use the first ending E. Now, in front of this ending there is an apostrophe. This apostrophe means that we have to soften the stem when we are applying this ending. So what is softening? Softening consists of replacing hard consonant with its corresponding soft consonants. So to apply this ending, we have to do a lot of things. We have to exchange U to O. We have to soften the stem, so exchange ły to l, and we have to attach the ending E. So the final form will be stole. Stole. And the last case, vocative, is the same as locative. It will be again stole. Stole. Let's continue with plural number. Here are the endings and here are the rules. The first case, nominative case. Here we have to use the first ending I because our stem ends with a hard consonant. To decide if we should use I or I, we have to follow this rule. So if you look at this rule, we have to use I, so the final form will be stoły. Stoły. Next case, genitive. Because of the hard consonant, we have to use the first ending, so it will be stołów. Stołów. Next case, dative. Here we have 1 option ending om, so it will be stołom. Stołom. Next case, accusative. Here we have to use the same form as in nominative case, because stół is not personal. So it will be stoły. Tak, stoły. Stoły. Next case, instrumental. Here we have just one option ending ami, so it will be stołami. Stołami. Next case, locative, also has just one option ending ach. The form will be stołach. Stołach. And the last case, vocative, is the same as nominative, so it will be stoły. Stoły. And that was the entire declension of the noun stół. Now, as a bonus, I've prepared for you 5 sentences which contain this word. Let's read them. Na stole leży książka. Locative singular. Pod stołem jest kot. Instrumental singular. Stawiam talerze na stołach. Locative plural. Potrzebujemy więcej stołów na przyjęcie. Genitive plural. Postaw wazon na środku stołu. Genitive singular. And that was everything I've prepared for today. I hope that you've enjoyed this workout. Thank you for staying here with me today and see you next time.